In this video, I will show a step-by-step guide for creating animation in Roblox Studio. As you follow each step, you'll learn to create pose keyframes and loop them into reusable animations like swimming, climbing, or dancing. So, let's watch the video till the end. The first step is to open the template. For that, launch the Roblox Studio app on your PC. Then, choose the base template or readymate template. Here, I have opened the Island of Move readymate template created by Roblox. It includes everything, like the code to run the gameplay and the environment. If you want the same template, please check the video description. Now the second step is to customize the workspace. Close or collapse the open windows that you don't need for animation. Keep the Explorer and Properties window open. Afterward, the third step is to playtest the template. For that, go to the top left corner of Roblox Studio and click the play button. Follow the on-screen controls for action. Use W, A, S, D, or the arrow keys for the move action. When you're done, click the stop button to exit the playtest mode. Now, you're familiar with the workspace. So, let's follow the fourth step. Prepare a rig or poseable figure. It's a character or a structure where you can move and rotate body parts in different poses. To prepare rig, click on the avatar tool at the top and click on the character. Here, two types of rig are available, R15 and R6. The R15 rig has 15 body parts and is suitable for fluid animations. The R6 is a rig with 6 body parts. It's simpler and easier than R15 animations. Please select any one of them. For example, let's choose the R15 rig type. Then, select the body shape, either masculine or feminine. Then, choose the avatar type. That's it. The rig is created now. Here, I am using a readymate template, so the pre-built rig is available. Now, the fifth step is to work with the animation editor. By using the animation editor, you can move and rotate the character's body parts like in action. For that, you need to open the animation editor and set keyframes between those poses. At the top of the toolbar, click on the avatar menu and select the animation editor. As you can see, the animation editor is open at the bottom. Rename the animation name. Also, the keyframe and scrubber appear. Before adding the keyframe, first click the plus button and select the Add All Body option. The rig's body part name appears in the animation editor. Afterward, let's add the first pose. To do that, set the timeline to 0 and press enter. Then, right-click on the starting point of the animation editor and select Add Keyframe here. Select all keyframes and right-click to copy them. Then, set the time to 1 and paste the copied keyframes at the end of the timeline. Now, to add animation, set timeline at 0.15 or 0.17 to add a new keyframe. Then, go to the toolbar section and select the rotate tool, and click on the rig's left upper arm. If it does not appear, uncheck the checkbox for the rotate and move action. A set of handles appears. Click and rotate the rig's arm. If any change, press the Ctrl-Z key to undo. Add more keyframes and set animation effects. Follow the on-screen steps and set the first pose. Now, set the timer to 0.5 and add the second pose. At last, click the loop button. Once you're done, play the animation and check whether it plays smoothly. Now, you can save the animation for reuse and publish it to Roblox. Click on more icons and select Save As, and change the animation name. Afterward, click on more icons and go to Set Animation Priority and select Idle. You can also optimize keyframes. To do that, click the three dots and select the Optimize Keyframes option. To publish your animation, click on the Publish to Roblox option and write your animation name and description. Wait for a few seconds, and you can see that the animation ID is generated. Copy it and click the Close button. Now, let's see the sixth step, how to play animation inside the game. Here, we will swap out default animations with our own custom animations. Go to the Explore part and search for Walk Animation. In the Properties section, click on the Value field and paste the animation ID. If your animation ID is not copied, don't worry, you can easily find and copy it. For that, go to the Home section and open up the toolbox. Click on the four dots icon which is called Inventory. Open the drop-down menu and select My Animations. As you can see here, the list of animations are available here. Select the first one. It's the recent animation you have created. Just right-click on it and select Copy Asset ID. Then, playtest the game. As you can see, the animation is playing very well. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.